Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lines by Namita. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 7, A Tale of Three Intersecting Lines from grade 7 of the new NCERT textbook Ganit Prakash. And we are going to learn the visualization of the construction of circles, right? Instead of drawing now, we learn two ways. One, to check whether a triangle will be formed by drawing actual circles. Another was triangle inequality property, and this is by visualizing the construction of circles, right? So let us start. So let us imagine that we start the construction by constructing the longest side, right? Here, these three sides are 4, 5 and 8 centimeter, right? 4, 5 and 8. So we have taken the base as 8 centimeter. The baseline is 8 centimeter. So this is the line AB, which is 8 centimeter long from here to here. Fine. This is already shown. Now, the next step is the construction of sufficiently long arc corresponding to the other two lengths 4 and 5, right? So first, if we take 4 centimeter as a radius and we draw a circle, so taking A as a center, a rough circle is drawn 4 centimeter long, right, with the radius 4 centimeter. So this will be 4 centimeter. The total is 8, right? So remaining will be 4 centimeter, isn't it? Now suppose the circle of radius 5 centimeter is constructed. Now if we take this center as B and we take the radius as 5 centimeter, can you draw a rough diagram of the resulting figure, right? It will be little bigger than this because this is 4. So somewhere here it will be 5, right? So I'll show you the next picture. Note that the figure below, here AX is 4 and AB is 8. So what will be BX? BX will also be 4, right? So we can visualize the resulting figure. Now see here. Since BX is 4, okay, and if we take the radius as 5, it will be naturally after this line. Right, so it will intersect somewhere. So both the circles will intersect each other at some point, 2 points, these 2 points, right? So what does that mean? The points A and B along with the with either of the points of intersection of the circle will give the required triangle. That means the triangle exists, right? We just need to check whether the triangle exists or not. So what we did, first we drew 8 centimeter. The three sides were given as 4, 5, 8. So first we drew 8 centimeter, right? And taking A as a center, we drew a rough 4 centimeter. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So this much is 4. So naturally, the other circle with radius 5 will be little more than 4. So this way you can imagine and understand that the two circles will meet. And if the two circles will meet at 2 points means the triangle exists, right? So now we'll solve the figure it out exercise which is given. Question 1. Which of the following length can be the side lengths of a triangle? Explain your answers. So and it is given that all of them are of the same unit. You need to consider that, right? So this is very important. I told you earlier also that the units should be same. Otherwise, we can't compare or use the triangle inequality, right? So let us solve them one by one. So question number 1A. The side lengths are 2, 2 and 5. So let us see. First we take the smaller two sides, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 4 is less than 5. This should be greater than 5, right? So you can write that therefore or hence 2 to 5 cannot be the side lengths. Of the triangle. Or you can write the triangle cannot be formed with this side lengths. So this is first one, question 1A. Now we take B. In B the side lengths are 3, 4, 6. Right? So if we take 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So that's greater than 6. So okay, the first case is fine. So we'll check all of them now. 4 plus 6 is 10. It's greater than 3. Then we take 3 and 6 greater than 4. Right? So here all of them, they satisfy, all conditions are satisfied, all the three cases are satisfied, you can say. Right? So all three conditions are satisfied. Therefore, triangle can be formed with side length 3, 4 and 6. Fine. There's 3 dots. If you know they are, that's the symbol of therefore. Fine. Now we do question number C. In C the lengths are 2, 4 and 8. Now, if we add the first two sides, 2 plus 4 is 6. That's less than 8, right? So, it should be greater, hence, triangle cannot be formed. Fine, this is question number C. Now we see question number D. In D, the lengths are 5, 5 and 8. You might be wondering that here I did only 1 and the previous I did 3. If you get in the first case itself that it is less, the sum of two lengths is less than the third, then the triangle cannot be formed. But if you get the first case as greater, like 5 plus 5 is 10, is greater than 8, then you check all of them. Otherwise, this will also tell you that the triangle can be formed because the smaller two sides we have added. But still, I'll show you all. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, which is greater than 5. Now, here we did not check the third because it is same. 5 plus 8, you'll write 5 plus 8 again. So, no need of doing that. Right? So, again, here all three will satisfy, hence triangle can be formed. Because 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 is no need to repeat. Correct? So this is question number D. Question number E. We had the first two sides, 10 plus 20 is 30, which is greater than 25. This is 25. Okay. Then we take 20 and 25, which is 45. So that's greater than 10. Then 10 plus 25, these two combination we have taken now, It's 35. So that's greater than 20, right? So here all conditions are satisfied. Therefore, triangle can be formed. Right, so this is question number 1E. Now we go to F. F, the side lengths are 10, 20 and 35. Right, so we add 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Now this is less than 35. Right, so triangle cannot be formed. Okay, this is question number F. Now the last question, number G. In G, the side lengths are 24, 26 and 28. So if we take 24 plus 26, that's equal to 50. So that's greater than 28. So this is okay. Then we take 24 and 28. That's equal to 52. It's greater than 26. So this also satisfies. Then 24 plus 24 we have taken. So now we'll take 26 plus 28. So that's equal to 54. That's greater than 24. So all conditions are satisfied. Therefore, you can say that triangle is formed, can be formed. Now here I'll just tell you these numbers were a little different. Earlier the numbers were smaller and easy to add. Here what you can do, just apply tricks which we have learned earlier in different chapters, addition tricks. So you can add 20 plus 20, that is 40, and 4 plus 6 is 10, so 50, right? So this was still easy. Now when you are adding 24 and 28, we have already added 24 and 26. This is only 2 more, so 52. Then 26 and 28. We have added this. This is 4 more, right? So the answer will be 54. This is 2 more, here also 2 more. So answer is 54. So that way you can simply add the numbers without doing any rough work. So we will continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.